Alright, welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. 2015, I believe. Chevy Traverse, bad transmission. And from what it looks like I just got done dropping the motor and transmission out of the car. But indeed, that's the new one ready to go in. I started this morning, pulled the car in this morning. The old transmission's already over here. That's got to go back. But the new transmission is on and bolted up. Both exhaust manifolds on. Starter on. Torque converter bolts on. Axle in. Axle in. Motor mounts back to where they should be. Everything is ready to go back in the car. Unfortunately, I do not have enough time tonight because we are leaving. It is the weekend. But first thing Monday morning, the car will be getting dropped back on to the motor and transmission. We'll bolt that back up, put it back in the air. Then all I got left is put the exhaust on, hook up the suspension on both sides, drive shaft here, and then wire it up, fill it with fluids, and fire it up. See what happens. Alrighty, buddy. Thanks for watching.